Hi, if you want to learn English, you need to have one dictionary on your system. And I suggest you to have Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary. Why this and how it can help you to improve your English? This is what I'm going to talk about in this video. For sure, it's not only one dictionary, as you can see it here. There are some buttons here that help you to improve your English. You can see that study page, exercises, pictures, and some other points. Okay, you may don't know the meaning of some words, and for sure you can find that here, but you can see that when you find a word, you have pronunciation of both UK and US. Besides that, you have also one record. This is very important and amazing because it can help you to record your voice, and then you can compare it with the original and native pronunciation. So with that, you can learn the correct pronunciation of each word. Like other dictionaries, for sure, you have you can understand if it's verb, noun, or others, and you can find the meaning, you can find the example. Here, one interesting thing is verb endings, that you can understand what is its, for example, present tense, ing form, and other, for example, past simple and others. Here you have one other useful thing, that it can help you to find the related words, and it can help you to learn the other words that are close or it has some relation to this word. As you can see here, it has also picture. Okay, but the important thing that I want to tell you here is using my list, and this my list will help you to improve your listening. What is that? Here you can have some lists. Now I will delete these lists, and okay, here you can create list for yourself. You can manage these lists or you can make them by your means, but here what I'm going to tell you is that, for example, I will create a list with name verbs, and if this word is difficult for me to remember, so I will add it here in the list of verbs. I will try to find another word. Here. And maybe this word is also difficult to remember or memorize for me. So I will add this one also to the verbs. So I have two words here. Maybe another word. This is one animal, so I can make another list for that with name, for example, animals. And I will add this word here. For sure, later, for example, after 1 day, after 3 days, or maybe 1 week, you can come here, you can find your words in the list, and you can try to check if you can remember that words or not. The point that I want to tell you here is that not only try to check, okay, the word is this, and can I remember the meaning or not. This is very useful for you to also improve your listening, because in this case, if you don't look at the word and just listen to the word and then try to remember what is that word, then it can help you for your listening. One other interesting thing here is pictures. If I click there, you can see pictures and the words here. So this is very useful, having something like picture dictionary. I will show you here this one, amounts of food, which is very interesting, and you can learn different words here, and also you can listen to their pronunciation. I have to mention that also when you are reading the meaning, for example here, and you don't know meaning of some words, you can double click on that and it will show you the meaning of that word. For example, this one, chunk. If I can't memorize it, I can add it to my list. I can make another list for that. Just I will name it words, and for example, chunk was the one that I was trying to memorize, so I will add it here. Later, after some days, I will return back, I will check this list, and without I look to the word, just I will click on the pronunciation and I will try to remember, I will try to understand what is that word and what is the meaning of that word. For sure, after some practice, after some days, if you think that you understand the word, you can delete that from your list. Or even if all the words in one list, you learn that, so you can delete completely that list here. And also here you have some buttons that will show you the words that you found before. You can go back or you can go forward. You can also print, and there are some other things that you can use them. I hope that this video be useful for you.